Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Tempo app from iPhone. Tempo is a creative video editing app that allows users to create stylish short videos using templates, effects and music sync. And if you want to free up storage, fix space and app related issues or simply stop using the app, uninstalling Tempo from your iPhone is a quick and easy process. First, you need to locate to your Tempo app in your iPhone and to the home screen look up for the Tempo app. What you can do is tap and hold to the Tempo app icon until a menu appears or the icon starts shaking, and over here select remove app on the bottom and select delete, and over here it will ask you, and when prompted you need to tap delete again to confirm the Tempo app will now be completely uninstalled from your iPhone. And that is it. This is how you can uninstall the Tempo app from your iPhone easily and safely. Whether you're clearing storage or troubleshooting issues, removing the app takes only a few steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Tempo app tutorial. And if you have any queries or comments, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.